Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise from your video using KineMaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my KineMaster application and I'm going to remove the background noise from this video. I'm going to show you the original video. It's so noisy, right? And I'm going to remove the background noise from this video. If you want to do that, first thing first, we need to tap on the video until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active, and then we can go to this menu. Then you can scroll down until you find the remove noise or noise remover. And you can activate this feature to remove the background noise from your video. Okay, and we just need to wait for a moment until the process has completed. It depends on the duration of your video. Wait, it's almost done, guys. Okay, now it's complete. And I'm going to show you how it sounds. As you can hear guys, that the background noise has been removed from my video. It sounds better than before. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove background noise from our video in KineMaster. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.